Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Dremio for accelerating SQL on data lakes, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the latest version of Dremio from the official website. Install Dremio by following the platform-specific installation instructions. Once the installation is complete, launch the Dremio application. You will be greeted by the Dremio welcome screen. Create a new account or sign in using existing credentials. After signing in, proceed to the Dremio console. In the console, locate the Sources section on the left sidebar. Click on Add Source to connect to your data lake. Choose the type of data lake you are using from the available options. Enter the required connection details such as host address and authentication credentials. Once the details are entered, click on Save to establish the connection. After the connection is successful, navigate to the Data tab in the console. Here, you will see the newly added data source. Select the source to explore the available datasets. You can create a physical dataset by navigating to the dataset and clicking on Save As. Give your dataset a meaningful name and choose whether. If creating a virtual dataset, you can write queries directly within the Dremio SQL editor. Use SQL commands to transform or join data as needed. Run your SQL queries to preview the results. To optimize performance, make sure to consider using Dremio's reflections. Click on the Reflections tab and choose Add Reflection. Select the dataset you want to improve performance for. Specify the types of reflections you wish to create, such as aggregation or raw data. After configuring, click Save to enable reflections. Monitor and manage reflections through the Reflections dashboard. For scheduled querying, use the Jobs feature to automate data tasks. Set up notifications to stay informed about job completions or failures. Finally, explore the Dremio community and documentation for further customization options and best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.